I'm Sophie. And Noah.
It's Papa.
And Mama. Our journey to Belgium started very early in the morning. We rode on the ANRUFBUS, or it's called literally in English as call bus. So we booked it online and we booked it at 6 in the morning. We chose 6 a.m. because if ever it gets cancelled, we still have time to walk to the train station for an hour. So, just in case ba. And so, anyway, so yeah, we arrived at the train station in Bitterfeld after 15 minutes of bus ride. It's not actually a bus, it was just a van that accommodated me, my husband, and the kids. So, yeah, but we only paid for the adults. The kids are free. And so anyway, so we arrived at the train station and we rode on the ICE. It's our first time, no, not my first time, but the kids and my husband's first time riding the ICE train, the very fast ICE train. And it was so fun because the staff were so friendly and they would give like gifts like a model train for the kids, like the Ida or the IC train and Saliban or for the subway train. So those were the examples.
It touched the lips. The other one. Hit it.
You're not gonna eat the spoon, only the ice cream. Be careful. Where are you?
It's from the store. Mama. Yes. Did we went there?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Yes, do you want to go there? Look at you can put the locks over there.
Yes. It's someone come on.
Papa is sleeping. So, Aya is sleeping. Hala, Aya is hagok.
Mama.
Yes.
Did we went there?
Wow! The water is cold. It's from the sewer. Want to have a picture with the horses? Okay, go there.
Hello, Mama and Dad and Papa King.
Hello! So we were greeted warmly by Mama Inda and Papa King at Aachen Hauptbahnhof, or the main train station, and afterwards we ate our late but very filling lunch at an Asian restaurant nearby. And then we rode their car from Aachen to Antwerp, Belgium. And here you can see I think that is already the border between Germany and Belgium, I think. But it was a very nice day to travel. The sun was out. And here we were finally home in their home. So at home are the kids and very happy to see a very big TV. Yoo-hoo!
Thank you for watching.